Transform your child's handwriting. Simple tips for immediate results. Good handwriting is a skill. You too can turn your little one's unkempt or messy handwriting into fine calligraphy work. Join us as we uncover some of the best and most tested methods for improving a child's handwriting. 1. Recognize the problem. Find out what's causing them to write badly. Is it the improper sitting posture, improper holding of the pencil, poor hand-to-eye, coordination, or medical problems like AD or ADHD that stop them from sitting still? 2. Build motor skills. Involve them in games and activities that improve fine movement, such as stringing beads, games with rice, beans, and other small objects, and finger painting.
Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such parenting videos. Continue watching.
3. Ensure the pencil is grasped correctly. This needs to be taught in their early formative years so that their handwriting improves steadily over time. 4. Relax the pressure and grip. Observe them as they write. If you see that they are gripping the pencil too tightly, tell them to relax in intervals. A tight grip may put pressure on the fingers and tire them out, causing muscle cramps and pain in the fingers, making them unapproved of the activity. 5. Practice writing alphabets and words. Start by teaching them how to manage the size of capital and lowercase letters. You can use 4-line practice books and move on to 2-line books. Give them more writing exercises for the alphabets they write poorly, so they can learn to write better. 6. Provide good writing tools. Provide your child with good writing materials, such as a good lined paper that takes the pencil score well and a right-sized pencil with a good grip. 7. Make it fun. Trust us, writing may get boring if not done in the right way. Keep your child's excitement going with colored pencils, coloring books, pencil toppers, craft books, and other vibrant stationery items like erasers, sharpeners, sketching pens, etc. 8. Go slow and do not pressurize them. Don't expect your child to become a master in fine handwriting in one day. It takes time to build the muscle memory to write well and write fast. If they feel stressed, they may not enjoy the activity or get worse at it eventually. 9. Offer a favorable environment. Writing should always be practiced in a sitting position on a proper study table, instead of writing lying down or sitting on a couch while watching TV. Also, avoid distractions from TV or loud music. With practice and persistence, good handwriting can be honed in children over time. Remember to be patient and understanding, and you'll see improvement in no time.